Good morning, students of class 6. Today, I am going to discuss about the construction. Construction, what do you mean by construction? How you are going to make? So, construction you can make. You are going to make diagram, different types of shape by using, this is called divider. This is called compass. This is called protector, and this one is called set square. This is also set square. In previous video I have it. So today I am going to discuss how to construct a perpendicular bisector AB of a line segment AB of length 18 cm. My dear student, what you are going to draw? Perpendicular bisector. First, you take, this is your step. First step you take 18 centimeter length. One straight line draw 18 centimeter. So this is your 18 centimeter. See this one 18 centimeter. First step, draw a line segment of 18 centimeter. Now what you will do, my dear student, as the question is telling draw perpendicular, so what you will do, my dear student, see this one, you make it equal. You make it equal. When it is equal, then it will work. When it is not equal, it will not work. So first make, you will use pencil. I am using here chalk. Now make it equal. First what you have done? After that, now AB, a line segment, you have drawn AB is equal to 18 centimeter. 18 divided by 2, 9. 9 more than half you take. To 9 I am taking it 10 or 11. See this one, this one. Make it center, at the center, and draw this one. Center. Another from B at the center and draw this one. Okay. Now the meeting point, here they are meeting. This one you make with the help of a scale, draw a straight line. A straight line. Okay. See this one. Both points should be front in same line, and draw this line. Any small or big, that is not the problem. Here arrow sign and influence this one. It is perpendicular, so it will be also 9 cm. O be the center, so OA is equal to OB is equal to 9 cm. Now angle AOB is equal to, sorry, AB, suppose that this is C, this is A, so angle AOC is equal to angle BOC equal to angle AOD and equal to angle DOB or BD, 90 degree, means perpendicular is there, 90 degree, this one is also 90 degree and 90 degree. Now you can check. How you can check? With the protector you can measure. See this one is there. See this one. Clear? It is clear? So it means how can you bisect? Now what I am telling, the another type of question is there. Second type of question is there. Construct an angle of 60 degree and bisect it. Means you are going to make it first 60 degree and after that you are going to bisect it. My dear student, what you will do, first you draw a line segment, any line segment. Now what you will do, write it O, any name you can write O and A. With the help of this compass, you take any art, big or small. So middle, average. So neither big I am taking nor small. Take one arc. Okay. Take one arc. Very good. The first step, this one is 60 degree. We are going to cut, making this point A to B. See this one, this mate. Over. Now this is your 60 degree. Angle AOB. Angle AOB, that is 60 degree. It is ready. Now how can you bisect? So see this one, what you will do, my dear student, they are touching, it is touching, from there you take one arc and again you take one arc. So this is point, here you make this line, this is your 60 degree. What is this? 30 degree. Whether it is right or wrong, so you can check whether it is right or wrong. So see this one, it is ready. Or now try, this is pointed. See this one, 60 degrees clear, 30 degrees clear. So it is 30 degree. Bisect, first you have made 60 degree angle and you have bisected, so it became 30 degree. Now here you can name AOBC. So angle AOC is equal to angle BOC and that is 30 degree. Clear? No problem? Now another question, draw an angle of 120 degree and bisect it. My dear student, construct an angle. You are using which compass? See this one, from protractor you can make any angle. But here there is limitation. So 120 degrees. Construct an angle of 120 degree and bisect it. So now my dear student, what you will do? First you take a scale. A scale is there. Any length you take. Any length. So I am telling draw a length. One line draw. Here you can write O and A. O and A is there. So now with the help of compass, see this one. With the help of compass, you make degree. That is first step. So first step, what you will do? Draw this line. First one arc. You have taken. Over. This is complete 180 degree. Now when you are going to cut one row, it is 60 degree. 60 degree. Again you are making 120 degree. 120 degree. This is your. Now what I will do, my dear student, to here make this line. Okay, this is your 120 degree. AOB. AOB. What is there? Angle B point is there. Angle AOB is equal to 120 degree. Now what we will do? So now bisect it. So the initial point where we have taken, from that point to cut once more. Okay, and where this one is going to meet, cut more. Sorry. Okay, so 120. This angle will mean this is 60 degree. Make it a straight. Okay, so angle BOC, angle BOC is equal to angle AOC. This is bisecting 60 degree. It is clear? Clear? No problem. Now one more I am going to construct an angle of 90 degree and bisect it. Construct an angle of 90 degree. My dear student, what we will do? See this one. First, what we will do? Take one straight line, any length. The length is not fixed, so I am using here O and A. Write here again O and A. Any name you can write X by A, B, C, D, any alphabet. What you have studied in literal algebra, what you there are. Now what you are going to do? So first step you draw a line. Okay. Now with the help of this compass, you take one arc. This is 180 degree. Now what we will do? Again first step it is 60 degree. Now what is this? So this is second step 120 degree. From here you will cut, it is 90 degree. What is this? 90. Now what you will do, my dear student, with the help of this one, meet this point. Now it will become a straight line. If a straight line is not coming, means something is wrong. 90 degree. So meeting this point up to any length, see this one. Okay, it is 90 degree. What is this? 90 degree. Now my dear student, what I am going to use to bisect it? So where they are going to touch on first? AOB, its name is B. The angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now what you are going to do? You are going to bisect. You are going to bisect. So first step, there you are taking this is. And again where this 90 degree is going to touch. Now see this one. It is 45 degree. It is 45 degree. Now make this one, meeting the point. Please do it properly. See this one, both came now. Now this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree. Now here see here in this diagram, angle B, it is 90 degree. Angle BOC is equal to angle AOC or COA is equal to 45 degree. Now how can you measure? See this one. You have protractor. You put it on O point. O point. Okay. This 90 degree is ready. This 45 degree is ready. Means you have made. It is clear. Now my dear student, you try to solve. If there is problem, you contact me. I will solve more question. Thank you.